watch the last sunset and walk arm in arm till I see you next summer. God keep you from harm. And if I was a flyer who crashed now and then, she would put me together and fly me again.